much experience from new home sales to general real estate. So Linda, I know you were with Centex for how long?
20 years.
Wow. So Centex is the only builder that you work for?
Yes, I actually started with Centex Homes. I had been in dentistry for 10 years. I had obtained my real estate license, and then I interviewed with Centex Homes, and it was a wonderful time frame because it taught me so much about real estate as far as what consists and creates a home.
Right.
And so I really do understand when I'm helping our buyers, you know, what to look for.
That's sometimes why I wish I studied as a builder or a construction or even roofer before become a realtor. Sometimes because I can only imagine how much of knowledge I would have gained if I started from the site, like construction site.
Right.
So you were a builder's rep 20 years before you become a realtor, and You've been a realtor for how many years?
So I retook my state board after my career in 2012. And so reinstated my license and have been practicing ever since.
How your experience in new home sales help you with clients now as a realtor, do you think?
I think that one of the things that new home sales does is it helps you learn to read what your clients are looking for. It helps you understand that everybody has different wants and needs, and trying to match that with the proper home so that it's a win-win situation. But not only that, but it gave me the fundamentals of what to look for as far as a home is concerned. And there is a home for everyone. It may not be the same home that meets everyone's needs, but there is a home for everyone. So you just have to understand what people are looking for and try to meet their needs as best you can.
It's really about us learning about clients' needs and wants over what we want to sell to them. A lot of people have it wrong, but a competent realtor is supposed to really spend a lot of time to learn about what they need and what they want. And so the new home salesperson experience really help you.
It does. It actually, that's what prompted me to get out of the new home sales.
Oh, I remember you telling me that.
Because when you are a new home sales representative, you are basically selling for one specific builder. And so I had gotten to the point in my career where I was really wanting to meet that buyer's needs.
Right.
Even if instead it was going outside of that particular
instead of selling that product.
Absolutely.
Because Centex is an amazing builder, but not everybody's like perfect fit.
Well, everybody has, you have production builders and national builders, and there's a market for those particular homes, but then you have other people that have different wants and needs. So again, there's really not a bad home, but you just have to try to, again, match up that particular buyer with where they are in life. Where are you in life? What are you looking for? What are you trying to accomplish? What is it that would make you feel comfortable in a specific neighborhood, specific geographical area, and as far as the home design is concerned too.